Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am trying out another ShopMissA product. I promise I'll be trying out products that are not from ShopMissA soon, but I just did a huge ShopMissA haul, so I really want to try out the products that I just bought. By the way, if you have not seen that haul video yet, it's up on my YouTube channel and you can see all of the exciting, very many products that I picked up on Cyber Monday. But so today I'm trying out the AOA Studio Special Day Lip Crayon. And this only cost $1. I got it in the shade Anniversary. And what I think is so cute about this product and this line of products is that they're all shade names based off of special days. So they have names like proposal, engaged, bridal party, honeymoon, staycation. So cute. And I also love that these are cruelty free. They're also vegan and non-toxic, which means they're free of alcohol, sulfates, and all of those types of ingredients. This also does look a little different in person than what I was expecting based off of how it looks online. Like online, it looks like a chubby stick, and it still is, but it's not quite as big as I was expecting. I actually kind of prefer how it looks in person based off of what I was expecting it to look like. Ooh, and it has this plastic all over it, so I didn't even realize how cute the packaging is with this matte finish. Wow. Oh, it does seem like a little bit of like a cheapy packaging, like the bottom just came off and I don't think it's supposed to, but that's okay. And even though the bottom just came off and it's like gonna move and twist, this is actually the type of pencil that you do sharpen, so need like one of those larger pencil sharpeners. So I am gonna start off with a swatch. Oh, okay. I mean, it's creamy, it glides on, but that is not as pigmented as I was expecting. It's kind of sheer, and it's more of a peachy pink than I was kind of expecting, but I do still really like this color. But here you can see that swatch. See, kind of sheer, lacking the pigment I was expecting. This also claims to be hydrating, which thank goodness, because my lips are feeling very dry right now. But based off of that swatch, I do feel like it seems nourishing and hydrating. So let's just go ahead now and see how it looks on my lips. I mean, I love a lip product that's basically a 2-in-1 with a lip liner and a lip pencil, because you do not need a lip liner with this because I can pretty much just use it to line my lips as it is. Also, like, I thought I kind of got like a fruity smell to this, but no, I think it just smells like a lip crayon. Yeah, I don't think it has a smell to it, but at first I was like, ooh, that smells nice. It really is surprisingly like slick and kind of slippy. It's almost like a glossy balm texture. Not what I was expecting based off of a lip crayon. I wouldn't have thought that it would be so like slippy and moisturizing feeling, but it's really nice. Ooh. And I'm loving this shade. It's so flattering, and it's kind of a pop of color, but a very toned down pop of color, like just a very easy to wear peachy pink. I will say, I wish this was a little bit more pigmented because it's not completely opaque on the lips, and I can see the texture still of my dry, chapped lips. Like, it definitely did help to moisturize and it feels comfortable, but it doesn't look completely moisturized. I can still see that texture, and the product does kind of cling to the texture surprisingly. So like on my top lip where I don't have that dry texture, it looks really good and smooth, but probably a product that I would need to do like a lip scrub beforehand, even put a lip balm or like a moisturizing product underneath this in order to get my lips to look how I want them to look. But it is a pretty color. It's definitely more of that like tint of color though. And since it's such a pretty shade, I wish it was opaque. And I do feel like there's going to be a lot of transfer. Let's see. Yeah, that is a lot of transfer. And since it already was kind of more of like a transparent tint of color, it did kind of fade a lot just from that one kiss mark. So I would not consider this a long-lasting lip product. And I personally prefer my lip products to be long-lasting. So as much as I like this color and I like the feel of it, it still has some qualities that I'm not super into, like all the transfer and the fact that you can see the dry areas on my lips. So for $1, it's okay, but I feel like ShopMissA has really raised the bar for $1 products, and I think that there are better lip products, lip crayons on the ShopMissA website even that are better than this. So I would say not a product that you need. However, of course, I want to know in the comments down below your thoughts on this if you have tried it out. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.